Right. So this is it. I got my DNA test results. I'm gonna see what it is. Like, I hope they sound cool. Maybe like Irish, obviously. Not too much British, I hope. Maybe a bit of French, a bit of Spanish. My brothers and stuff have like black hair and they tan. Maybe a bit of Spanish. Or like Greek or something. Yeah, I'm not too sure. But let's see anyway. I don't know. Let me just see and then I don't know. Hopefully there's something interesting. Where's the other stuff? I'm just Irish. That's it. Scottish and Welsh. That's it. I knew it. I knew it, but I should be speaking Irish. It's bullshit.